What's up, you guys? It's the Tech Playoffs, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be a quick video, but I wanted to do an unboxing of the Pixel Buds Pro. As most of you might know, Google just announced the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch. I did pre-order both. I pre-ordered the Hazel Pixel 7 Pro as well as the Hazel Pixel Watch. So I'm excited for those to come. But in the meantime, I did pick these up because these are already out. These have been out for a couple months now. And I wanted the whole complete set. So I'm going to unbox this real quick so you guys could kind of expect what to receive if you guys also order these. This one I got in the color Fog because this is close to the Hazel that's going to be on the Pixel 7 Pro. So the Pixel 7 Pro kind of has like a grayish kind of greenish tint to the back of it, and then the borders and the camera housing is a stainless steel gold. But this is the closest color I can get to that back kind of hazel look. So I've always liked the presentation of the Pixel Buds because it is a really nice size and it has like a kind of egg shape. It feels really nice, like a kind of like a matte finish to it. This has wireless charging and it has USB Type-C. So we're gonna put those down real quick. Let's see what else you get in the box. You get some ear tips and that's it. Some paperwork. Damn, they don't even give you a charger no more. Holy moly macaroni. Times have changed. Because I think when I had the the Buds A series, if I'm not mistaken, those came with a charger. Anyways, so Pixel Buds Pro, and then this is the color that I got. I'm hoping that this is really... Alright, sorry guys, my phone cut off because when I opened the Buds, it went into setup mode right away. So that's the good thing about these. These do have fast pairing. So I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping these match the back of the Pixel 7 really good. I think they do because it's kind of like I said, it's kind of like between a light gray and a light green kind of tinted. So that's why I picked up this color. The way it seems, I don't have my Pixel Buds A's with me at the moment, but these seem bigger. The case seems bigger than the previous case, and the buds are bigger, so that's probably why. It kind of has a weird shape to it. So as you can see, it's not like a circle, it's kind of like an oval in the back. Then you got that shape up front, and then you got the circle on top. So it's kind of like a weird shape to it. And I'm going to test them out because with me, my ear canals are kind of small. So these, I normally have to use the small tips on all earbuds that I test just for them to fit in my ear properly. But, you know, that's still for me to test out. This is weird because as you can see, when they're in there, and they're in there correctly because of the magnets, the Google logos are not centered. And you can see the top and bottom grills are the same on both sides, but the logos are off. And I have OCD, so that bothers me. But hey, it is what it is. I do have them in properly. It is what it is. I don't know. Let me know if you guys had that issue with yours. Because if that's not the case, I'll probably end up returning these. Because that does bother me. But other than that, I did change the tips to the small ones. Because with the medium ones, it did not fit in my ear. So these came with the earphones. So I threw the mediums in there. And then you have the largest. But right now I'm rocking the smalls. Put that in there. I did do a quick sound test. I did an ear test to confirm the seal. And I went through the settings. So you could set up gestures. You can swipe back and forth to increase the volume. You can tap once to pause. Tap again to start it. Double tap to skip songs. And stuff like that. So you can set that up in settings. I have mine to... I think the right one to hold it for Google Assistant, and the left one, if I hold it, it changes from ambient to noise canceling to just off. So I'm hoping when the Pixel 7 comes in, like I said, the color's pretty close. And for right now, man, these things sound pretty good. Like I said, I gotta put it through its paces because I just received it now, and I'll let you guys know on any updates. But let me know, man, if you guys have this, if that is the same on yours, because that bothers me. You see how they're different? But whatever. We'll see how it goes. That's it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm sure you guys see plenty of these already. So when the Pixel 7 Pro comes in, I will do a video on unboxing as well as the Pixel Watch. And then we'll go from there. As always, guys, thank you for watching my videos and have a blessed day. Peace.